So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to insert an order form on your landing page. Now if you run a dropshipping business or an ecom business, you notice that having an order form on your sales page is very important. So now let me walk you through what an order form actually looks like. So this is an order form here. For this was for a product I drop shipped, right? So this is what an order form looks like, and as you can see here, it's this place the customer will put their full name, phone number, second phone number, delivery address, and their product package. You will learn how to do all of this in today's video. All right, so if this is the first time of coming to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I drop videos like this. All right, so let's dive in. So the first thing you need to do is to install two plugins. We'll be using two plugins. I've listed them out here. We'll be using Elementor. I'm currently on the free plan, so whether you're on the free plan or you're on the paid plan, they both work just fine. All right, so you need to install that plugin on your website, and then the second plugin we'll be using is Formidable Forms. Right, Formidable Forms. You can use WPS forms, WordPress forms as well, but for this video I recommend you use Formidable Forms so you flow along with the video. All right, so I believe you've installed these two plugins on your website. So the first what you need to do is to create a page. I've already created a page for the purpose of this video. As you can see, 3-in-1 duplicate, right? So once your page is created, once you've created your page, now the next thing you need to do is to create your form, right? Once you're done with creating your page, you need to create your form. And to create your form, just go to Formidable, go to Forms. Okay, then you click on add new, this add new form here, add new button here. So once you tap on that, just tap on blank form, right? Tap on blank form. So I'll call this form 3-in-1 duplicate as well. Duplicate, right? So I'll click on create. Perfect. Now let's check what we need for this. Okay, the first thing we need here is a name, right? So this is just a drag and drop form builder. So you just tap on your text there, hold your text, left click, then you drag, then you take it to this point. So just tap on this, you edit. So just put full name, then you make it compulsory, required. Okay. Now after that, you want to go back to add fields. The next thing on this thing is phone number. Okay. So you want to add phone number to that. So you just tap on that, write phone number, okay. Then you go back to add field. Okay, we didn't mark this as required. Let's take it as required. Go back to add field. What do we need again? Second phone number. Okay, so let's take this again. Second phone number. Second phone number. So this one we won't put it as required. It won't be a must for them to input their second phone number, right? So once you've done that, you go back to add field again. Check what you need, delivery address. Okay, so this is where the customer will be receiving their goods. Okay, so I'll just tap on that. Then I put delivery address brackets in details. Okay, so I'll just go back to add field. Okay, let me tick this required. Remember, is an important field that needs to be filled. Okay, so package, product package now. Okay, so now this is a drop, this is a button, a drop down button, right? So let's go here. You see drop down, right? So just check that to this point here. Let me bring this down a little. Okay, so I'll just tap on that and write product product packages. Okay, so the first product package is let me write let me just put this. So let me say I want to I'm selling a wig, or say an airpod for instance. One airpod, one airpod plus free delivery. Let me put this at 12,000. So I just copy everything here, paste it at second option two. Okay, so two airpod, 24,000, or let's say 22,000, discount of 2,000. Can add that here, discount of 2,000. Okay, so you can add, if you want to add more option, just click on this add option button here, and then you have more options for yourself, right? If you want to remove, you just tap on this negative sign here and you take this off. Okay, so let me take this off as well. So once you are done with that, just click on update. So it's updating. Let's just wait for it to load. Okay, let me pause this. Okay, so the form has successfully been updated, right? So now once you successfully updated the form by clicking here, just go back to your WordPress website. Then you go back to your page. Okay, once you've gotten to your page, so just open the page you want to insert the form, right? So this is the page I would like my form to be in. So I'll just tap on that page. So let's wait for it to load. Edit with Elementor. Now since um we forgot something on the formidable form, so forgot to do something on the formidable form. So let's just go back to it. The internet connection is quite poor. I have to pause this video. I have to pause it so it won't take long. Okay, once you get back to this form, once you are setting your form, filling your form up, so this button here, just tap on it. Okay, just go to settings. Okay, so go to buttons. So if you want to change your submit button, the text, you can just change it to order now, order now. Okay, now um you once you've done that, you just go to actions and notifications as well, right? Now you want to set what will happen when someone clicks on the order button, right? So you want that to be set. Okay, so you can choose that from this point here. So this confirmation, just tap on it and then this three options will show. So you can either show the person a message that says your order has been received, or you can redirect the person to a thank you page if you have a thank you page. But for this video, I don't have one. But then you can actually have a thank you page set up, right? Like for this particular page now, there is a thank you page. So once you click on order now, once your order has been received, you'll be redirected to a thank you page. So if you have a thank you page, you can add the link here, all right, or show page content, which means the same page will still be there. Okay, so once you've done that with this place, you can just click on update. Okay, so this place is actually for send receiving emails, other emails. Okay, but this video is not based on that. It's for now. Okay, probably subsequent videos I'll show you how to set up this send email section, so that when someone places an order, you get a notification on your phone or your laptop for an order that has been placed. Okay, so once you're done with that, just click on update, then you go back to your forms. So let me just go back to the pages. So 3-in-1 duplicate, that's what we are working on. So I'll just tap on it. Then I'll click on edit with Elementor. Like I said, you need Elementor installed on your WordPress. So let's just wait for it to take us to the landing page. Let me pause the video so it won't take so much of our time. Okay, now so this is the page. Okay, we'll be adding our form to. So once you've designed your page, just scroll down to wherever point you want to add the form to. Okay, so the form should probably be at the last, should be at the bottom of your sales page. So I think here is best. Okay, beneath this statement here. So just go here, tap here, drag down to search for formidable forms. Okay, okay, so this formidable forms there, just drag it to this place, and then you'll be given an option to select your form. So I've selected the 3-in-1 duplicate form we created previously. So you see, this is our form right here. Okay, so all you need to do is just to update. So once you are done updating, you have your form on your landing page. Okay, all right. So that is that on how to insert forms on your landing page. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And if you are into e-commerce and you want me to build a sales page like this for you, that is fully automated for your e-commerce business, use the link below this video to send me a message on WhatsApp. Thank you.